2008 saw the introduction of the new LS3, increasing from the 6-liter 364 cubic inch to the 376 6.2 liter, and from 400 to 430 horsepower. Cylinder heads had Z06 larger valve, larger port design with larger, straighter intake ports. Intake valves had hollow stems and 9% larger diameter, and the camshaft had a 5% greater lift. You might be asking yourself, why am I telling you about this and we're looking at a 66 Corvette? You guessed it, that is an LS3 engine in this car. This car is extremely well done, Restomod. As you can see, engine compartment is in beautiful shape, all nicely powder coated with the frame, all brand new nut and bolt restoration with that LS3. Custom wheels, Wilwood brakes, give this car an absolutely stunning look. I would call the paint on the car a 10. It's show quality paint job. Very nice. Chrome is all brand new, free of any patina. Brand new wheels and tires. On the interior of the car, they have customized C6 style seats, both power. And of course we have done the steering wheel. It is a tilt steering wheel with the gauges. It's a Tremec 5-speed, upgraded stereo in all like brand new condition. Restomods come in various shapes and sizes. This is a beautiful driver class car you could take to any show and enjoy. Very well done, but obviously ready for the highway. And the classic white with a red interior, sure to turn heads as well. If you'd like to know more about this Corvette or any of the hundreds of Corvettes we carry in stock, 770-605-2056 or john@buyavette.net. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see all this fun new inventory first. And we'll see you all out on the road.